Easy meter.
Let me take you through the process of how to create. I believe you are familiar with this interface. This is your Arts Manager user interface. Way to get started. Over your mouth on this left-hand side, I believe you know how I got here. You will see all tools below here. Click on it right here. You will see business settings. Click on business settings. Please follow this process. Don't skip any part, because this is how you be able to create your PC. That is now called Dataset. So right here you are going to see your business manager. If you do not know how to create a business manager, I already have another video where I showed you how to create a business manager. The link to that video will be at the description of this very video, so after watching it. Okay, now, if you have more than one business manager, you're going to see this drop-down arrow. If you click on the drop-down arrow, you have here. So select the one that you want to create this picture on right. And I've selected one here. Scroll down and you're going to see data sources. There's a drop-down arrow here. Click on the drop-down arrow and you're going to see pictures. Here if you click on pictures, you are going to see this. Secret Digitus doesn't have any pizza yet, okay. And below that, you have been to see that your asset has a new location. What you're trying to see is that they remove pieces from this location to another location. And I mentioned earlier that it is now called data sets and no longer pieces, okay. So what do we do is to click on this data sets. And you will see how to create your data sets quickly. Now you see, Secret Digital doesn't have any data sets new yet. Manage your data sets. So this particular UH Business Manager, I have not created any data sets. That's why I'm using it for this tutorial. Click on the Add button, and you're going to give your data sets a name. So I will just give it my data set for identification purpose, and you click on this Create button below. Below here you see a Create button. Click on it. Facebook is processing the data set, and your data set will be created. And right here your pixel or data set has been created. If you check here, you will see that this is the name. I use my data set. If you check above here, you also see that name, my data set, and below here is a data set ID. Please take note of this. Many website builders, we allow you to just copy this ID and install it at your website. You'll be able to track the activities that is happening on your website. Okay, if you're using a website like seller.school, everything has been done for you. And install. Okay, I already have a step-by-step video where I showed you how to install itself. The link will be at the description of this video. But if you are using a website like WordPress Builder, if you use WordPress to build your website, then it will require you to install it manually. So pay attention. Some other websites request that you install it manually. You are going to see this. Add assets here. Click on this Add Assets button. Go ahead and select this other account that you want to add it to, and click on this Add button below. Now one other account has been added to the dataset called My Dataset. So click on Done. The next thing you need to do is to click on this place written Open in Events Manager. So click here, Open in Events Manager. You're going to see this interface. Scroll down and you will see Send events from a server. You set up Conversion API. Well, this is the one that I want to use. Metapic setup. So I'm going to use this one. That is a gather website event from browser activity. Send events and parameters from the website. Circle snipe it. This method only allows website events to be sent. Browser events can be limited due to privacy preserving technology. So click on Setup Meter Pixel. When you click on this, connect website activities in Pixel. Check for partner. So click on Install code manually. So right here is your Metapixel code. Okay, so click on this Copy Code button, and that Metapixel code has been copied. Stay with professional advertising for more. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.